So here we are, our first big snowstorm. I don't know if it's big. Our first snowstorm of, well, it's not our first snowstorm of 2018, but it is a snowstorm. The first one of the 2018-2019 season. We're supposed to get 15 to 20 centimeters of snow. I don't know, there's probably a good 10 centimeters down right now maybe. And yeah, there's winds, but at least it's not blowing right now. So I had a bit of snow before this, but this one will probably stay. The temperature's going to be around 0. High of +4, I think, on Tuesday, which is going to be absolutely balmy. I might wear shorts, you know, because we haven't seen a +4, geez, in about a week or so. Yeah. Here it is, winter in Canuckia.